okay.
No touch lemon.
Merry Christmas, everyone. We're going to be stop wiping presents for the ladies. Oh no. There you go.
Open it again.
Open them presents.
Did Dash get his one?
The lady's struggling.
Oh, Tammy's, don't eat the paper.
She's chopping the tree, Steve.
Can you bring it a little bit closer to Mileena so Dash doesn't think it's his?
Do you want treat? No. Want treat.
Jacob, you watch Dash and Kitana, and Isaac will watch Letty and Mileena.
Mom? Oh.
Are they having treats?
One.
Isaac, do you want to help Letty?
Run.
Maybe help Paul let it grab it.
Run.
Grab it from the Paul. Yeah.
Jacob, do you want to help Kitana? See if there's any more treats in there?
Open. Open.
All done, Kitana.
Everybody. 3, 2, 1.
Mileena, Isaac.
Jacob, don't forget their bags of treats.
Isaac, can you give that cookie to Mileena? Letty. Thank you, Isaac.
Kitana, you're not stealing treats from anyone.
You want to Letty.
Mileena's already helped herself to her one. Are you guys ready to open presents?
Yes.
Alright, let's start with this big pile of shoes. This one is for Caleb. This one for Caleb.
What?
This one is for me. This one is for Dad.
Oh.
Black and white. It's Caleb's shoes.
That's Mama's shoes.
This one is for Ivy. Can you give this to Ivy?
Give to Isaac.
This one is for Jacob.
Let's see.
For Jacob.
What?
And this is one for Jacob.
Can you open Jacob one?
For Dad.
Oh, here, like
Yeah,
it.
this one is Dad.
Sit down.
Help me open. Thank you.
Two more for Jacob.
Oh, look at this one, Caleb.
I got pink shoes. Elijah, look, pink shoes. Pink shoes.
One more for Jacob.
Where's my other box?
Yes, you guys. Oh, your shoes.
This mine. And what color is this shoe? Look,
Okay.
Caleb, what color?
Oh, this for me? Thank you. High five.
Purple.
Great, high five.
Good job.
Is that nice? I think this is for you.
No, this is for Jacob.
My shoes are.
Okay, this is for Dad. This is for Dad.
Isaac, did you like your shoes? Did you even take them out of the box?
Your shoe?
What shoes?
That's what
them
Oh, you want to wear the
today.
shoe? It's a white Caleb.
Alright, let's move all these shoes so we can start with the rest of the
Those
presents.
presents?
That's over there.
Open your present.
Alright guys, he's ready to open some presents from Santa.
Yeah.
Open present Santa. So who's this one for? This one's to Caleb. Give to Caleb.
Can you give it to Caleb?
Caleb present.
This one is
For
to
Elijah.
Elijah. That's your present. Open.
You want to sit with Dad and open?
Yeah, come here. Yeah, open. Open.
This is for Jacob.
Open here.
Isaac.
More picture.
Jacob.
What's
that, Isaac? Isaac. One for you.
Another one. What? Show mom. Show mom. You want to open it?
Isaac, and then just one big gift. Open it out like.
Let's see if I can open
Is it a
it.
puzzle?
Saying it's a puzzle.
It sounds like a puzzle.
What is it, Isaac?
Did you open yours? What did you get from Santa? Oh, these two.
Oh, you got a mouse from Santa. Oh, hang on here.
What do you have? Do you have
jelly beans.
Oh, I thought it was a puzzle.
I love jelly beans.
Wait.
And look at all the different
Wait,
flavors in it.
presents
Do you want to open it? Or you want to open more presents?
You open Caleb?
More
Caleb, you
presents?
open? Can you open this? Have we got open?
Yeah. Okay, ready? Now, let's see. This one's for Mom.
Thank you. This one is for Jacob.
You open chicken?
Elijah, you got...
Can you grab those?
Isaac. Isaac has another one here.
What kind is this one? Elisha, one for Elisha.
Caleb, look.
Caleb, one for Caleb. What I got?
Can I help you?
Oh,
Elijah got an iPad case, but he doesn't have an iPad. Why did Elijah get an iPad case? You got an iPad case.
And this is for Jacob.
And this one's for Felicia.
And this one is for Matthew.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Is this
Oh,
Okay,
no. Caleb, why did Mum get an iPad case?
Is that for you?
Pokemon.
And this one is for Matthew.
Oh, what else did we get, guys?
Another one for Matthew.
We got UPCs.
Caleb, look, this is for you.
And another one. Another one.
Whoa.
Oh, we got Lucario. What?
It's my Caleb. Are you
Oh.
open?
You can open and try that if you like. Caleb's got special earmuffs. Oh, look, we got stickers to decorate it. Okay, we got one lot of presents left. This
Caleb.
one's for Caleb. Who's this one? Jacob.
Elijah, come here.
Elijah.
That one's for Felicia.
And
Elijah, come here. Give it to Jacob.
look, you got present.
Yeah. Give this to Jacob.
Look at it.
Jacob, here, take that back. Elijah, here. Elijah, here.
You got Astrobot.
What did Elijah get? Come here.
And Caleb, look, you got your big present.
Elijah, what is this?
Caleb. And Isaac, you get your present in 2 seconds.
What did Elijah get? Elijah, you got an iPad!
Elijah, you got an iPad? Look, Elijah, I have an iPad. Yeah. Oh, he wants the case on it.
Oh, you want the
There's too many
case?
iPads.
Okay.
Caleb, what colour's my iPad?
iPad.
Okay, here, I'll help you.
It's iPad.
It's a pink one.
Yeah.
Ready, Caleb?
Here, I'll help you.
Is that your headphones?
I think he's having to grab the after morning.
Caleb, look at my iPad. I have an iPad. Look what colour it is. Elijah, look. I have a pink iPad. You got a yellow iPad. Your mum iPad.
Alright, so I think there's one big present left. Who's it for?
Oh, I think it's for Elijah.
Maybe Isaac can stand up and open it. What's this behind us? Isaac, you might just have to rip it. Go on, rip it. Rip it. What?
Look what Isaac got. An orange bike. Oh, is that what the light's for? Hey, everybody help? So the box is taped.
Yeah.
Dad will fix it for you soon, Isaac. Because you might need to charge it as well. It looks like it's got a charger.
Yeah, the charge.
Isaac, you might need to charge it first.
Look, Isaac, how... Oh, nice charge.
Did you guys like your presents?
Yeah.
What was your favourite present? The axe you got? Did you like your headphones? What about you, Isaac?
Alright. What about you, Felicia?
Did you find? And what was your favourite?
Lucario.
Alright, let's start tidying up so we can go to your cousin's house for lunch.
Is ready to tidy up?
Yep.
Alright, let's go.
Time to go to Matthew's sister's house for lunch.